Hi there. Shreya's mother needs help with preparing upma, so Shreya is helping her by peeling the skin of roasted peanuts. Shreya loves roasted peanuts, but she hates the task of separating the nut from its skin. Fortunately, she has discovered a super smart way to do it. All she does now is she takes a handful of roasted peanuts in her palms, rubs both her palms together, and then she opens her palms and blows some air. Isn't that awesome? Similarly, in our day-to-day life, we use different methods to separate things. Let's take a look at some such methods. We use our hands to remove green chilies from poha. This method is called hand picking. Hand picking is useful when the quantity to be separated is very small and all the materials in a mixture are in the solid state. And how do we separate tea powder from tea? By using sieve, of course. The smaller particles pass through the holes in the sieve while the larger particles remain behind. This technique can also be used to separate solid-solid mixtures. Now, while Shreya was peeling nuts, she saw her mother moving a magnet over the rava. Out of curiosity, she asked her what she was doing. Her mother explained that the rava could contain some small magnetic substances which she cannot separate using her hands or a sieve. Hence, she was using the magnet to attract and separate the magnetic particles to get pure rava. This method is called magnetic separation. Last month, Shreya and her family visited their native place during harvest season. That was the first time she saw how wheat crops are harvested. She saw people slapping the ground with bundles of wheat crops, but she wasn't sure what was happening. So her mother explained that the farmers were separating the wheat grains from the chaff by slapping the ground with bundles of crops. This process is called threshing. Hearing this got her wondering if the crops would still have husk and other dried plant parts in them after threshing. Will they remove this by hand picking? She asked her mother. Her mother explained that after threshing, the farmers drop this mixture from a height onto an open field, and while it falls, the wind carries away the lighter particles like husk and everything unwanted, while the heavier grains fall on the ground. This method is called winnowing. Isn't it interesting how wind can help us remove unwanted particles from grains? Shreya! Did you hear that? Sounds like Shreya's mother is calling her. Perhaps we should go too, no? Well, see you next time. Bye.